Hydrogen peroxide is very useful for your plants, and in this video we will discuss all about the benefits of hydrogen peroxide for plants, also what is the right way to use it, on what plants we can use hydrogen peroxide, and much more. So keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. Hydrogen peroxide is a transparent liquid that is primarily used as a medicine for treating minor cuts, but it can be used for plants too. It is a chemically made form of oxygen that works as a disinfectant and can provide several unusual and exciting benefits to your plants. So let's know about them one by one. The number one benefit of hydrogen peroxide is the soil oxygenation. Means when we apply hydrogen peroxide to the soil, it provides a lot of oxygen to it. Soil is a home for microbes and they require oxygen to grow, and these tiny creatures not only makes the soil better but also promotes root growth. Hydrogen peroxide also have disinfectant qualities, means infection or disease in the root system can be cured using hydrogen peroxide. It will disinfect the place where there is an attack, and this way our sensitive plants like succulents and cacti can be cured from root rot and many other issues. Another quality of hydrogen peroxide for plants is that it directly provides oxygen to the roots and improve the aeration system. That is very important. This way use of hydrogen peroxide can promote root growth, so that's also a very useful thing about this. If your soil is unfertile and have toxins, means toxic elements, then hydrogen peroxide can help you correct this thing. Use of H2O2 can remove these toxins, making your soil very healthy. Overall, it works as a soil sterilizer. Now, another big use of hydrogen peroxide is that it can increase the germination rate of your seeds very much. You can apply hydrogen peroxide on any type of seeds and it will make them all germinate. If you have some kind of seeds that are old, you must use hydrogen peroxide on them, and then they will give you much better results. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used to clean your cutters and other gardening tools. This will ensure the removal of all germs and they wouldn't spread to your other plants. This simple thing can help you stop the spreading of most of the problems in one place. Another quality of hydrogen peroxide is that it provides the microbes oxygen, so this way it also promotes the microbial activity in the soil. Another benefit of hydrogen peroxide for plants is that it can be used for cuttings too. It will prevent the rotting and also helps in rooting of the cuttings. This is very useful, especially when you are trying water propagation. Now let's know how we can use this useful thing for our plants. First of all, you need to make sure the bottle of hydrogen peroxide you are using is 2 to 6%. You can find this value on the bottle. A good quality hydrogen peroxide is also added in the video description. You can buy that. Once you have such hydrogen peroxide, now you can dilute it with more water. Here I have a glass of simple drinking water and I will add around 10 to 15 ml of hydrogen peroxide into it. Mix it very well, and now we can use this liquid on the soil directly. Make sure the soil is dry, then add around 100 ml of this liquid for a 5 inches of pot and increase the amount for a bigger pot respectively. Once you add it on the soil, you will hear some noise from the soil. That is totally normal and will be gone once the liquid is absorbed. For using hydrogen peroxide for seeds, you can take around 10 ml of this and add your seeds into it. Let them soak for at least an hour. As you sow the seeds after this, they will germinate very well. The result is on the screen, you can see by yourself. But remember, always follow the season and use a good soil mix, then you can achieve such results too. Quality of seeds also matters, so some good quality seeds are also added in the description box if you like to buy. For using hydrogen peroxide for cuttings, you can take the cuttings and soak it in hydrogen peroxide for almost an hour so the liquid can be absorbed by the cutting. This will reduce the chance of rotting and also helps them to produce so many roots. This is a cutting of Euphorbia milli that is growing in water where I have used some hydrogen peroxide too, so this is not a bad result. After soaking the cutting, you can plant it in the soil as well. Just remember, you also need to take care of your cutting. Hydrogen peroxide can be used this way on almost all type of plants. You can use it for indoor plants to prevent any rotting and disease. You can use it for flowering plants and vegetable plants for making their soil better. You can apply it on cacti and succulents, but that's a risky thing because they can rot very easily, so it's better to avoid for them. Use it for cuttings and seeds. Just remember the method. There are also some side effects of hydrogen peroxide that you must know. First bad thing about H2O2 is that too much use of hydrogen peroxide is not good. Instead of providing benefits, it can cause serious damage and problems in plant growth and soil health. So don't use regularly and too much. Another thing is that using hydrogen peroxide in your plant soil can disturb the growth of microbes also if you use it too much. So proper dilution is again very important. Another big problem with hydrogen peroxide is that it's not an organic product, so use it only when it's necessary. Regular use of chemical products on your plants can be unhealthy and have long-term side effects. To solve your such issues, I have made a complete playlist where you can learn about many useful organic fertilizers. There is no need to use chemical products. Here is the link of that playlist. Please explore these organic fertilizers. They can also provide you similar benefits.